Okay, welcome back. Look at the question. What they mean? 20 people have gone to a hotel. Okay, so 20 people, I think for a treat they have gone to the hotel, and then for a dinner party, and then 12 of them have spent only 175 each. 175 each means what? Average of 12 members is 175. Is it right? Because all 12 members, 1 to 12 members, have exactly have taken 175 rupees food. Is it right? Then the rest means what? Out of 20, okay, after 20, 12 members have taken 175 each. That means what is the average of 12 members is 175. So remaining 8, okay, remaining 8 spent more than, okay, more than 75 of the average. Okay, of the average means what? Average of 12 members is 175. Is it right? Okay, now listen to me. All the 20 they were given. What was the total money spent by them? Okay, the average expenditure. So average expenditure of 12 members is 175, and rest of people. Okay, average expenditure of rest of people means what? 8 members is more than, actual average is what? This 175, more than that 75 rupees they have spent for the average. Okay, now look at out here, we can go for the calculation. How we can make a calculation means, look at the calculation part. It's very simple. Actually, average expenditure, because we know only the 12 members average, but we don't know the average of 20 members. Is it right? So we can make a average expenditure of 20 members, which is equal to x. Okay, x rupees, no problem. So what's the question they are given? According to the question, look at the question, is very simple. According to the question, they are given us 20 members available. Is it right? Average of 20 members equal to, among the 20 members, 12 members have taken for 175. Okay, and then plus remaining 8 members have taken more than, so we don't know the more, so we have taken the x plus 175. Is it right? Okay, now I understand very clearly. So automatically, do you understand? So 20 members, total average is x. Is it right? And then among the 12 members, total average is 170, because 12 members, all the 12 members taken 175 rupees. Remaining 8 members are more than the average. We don't know the more. Is it right? So we have taken the more as x. Already we have taken the more average, total average. So we have taken total average plus 175. Now if you calculate means what do you get? 20x multiplied 2100 plus 8x plus 600, because if you multiply 8 into x, 8x, 8 into 175, 600. Is it right? So if you come and calculate 2x equal to, you get a 2700, and therefore x is equal to, how will you get? So 2700 by 12. Is it right? So automatically you will get 225. So what's the complete average? 20x. Is it right? So confirm, is it right? So you have to get the complete average of 20 members. So 20 into x. We know the value of x is equal to 225. Is it right? So automatically 20 into 225 is equal to 4500. So and simply you have to click the 4500. Okay, thank you. If there are any questions, please comment me.